The next topic under module 3, it is a representation of transmission loss by beta coefficient. Let general form of loss formula using beta coefficients be PL is equal to summation where J varies from 1 to M and summation where I varies from 1 to M. Pi, Bij, Pj, where Pi and Pj are real power injection at ith bus and jth bus respectively, and Bij is the loss coefficient which are constant. Okay, the unit of this is megawatt inverse. Okay, this is loss coefficient, and M is the generator buses. Okay, total number of generator buses. Take it as equation 1. The same PL equation, the transmission loss formula, can be represented in the matrix form like this. PL is equal to P transpose B P. Okay, and also we know that the incremental cost DCI divided by dPgi is equal to Bi plus 2Ci Pgi. The unit is rupees per megawatt hour. How do we get this equation? We know that cost of the fuel Ca is equal to Ai plus Bi Pgi plus Ci Pgi square. So differentiating this equation with respect to Pgi, we get Bi plus 2Ci Pgi. The unit is rupees per megawatt hour. The unit of fuel cost which is rupees per hour. So the optimal operation including transmission loss, the formula is given by incremental cost is equal to lambda into 1 minus incremental transmission loss. Okay. Let us consider Pi is equal to Pj in this particular equation. So this equation becomes, equation 1 becomes PL is equal to summation Pj square Bij. Right. So on differentiating this with respect to Pj, we get the partial differentiation of this which is equal to summation 2 Pj Bij, where j varies from 1 to m. Substituting same equation in above equation, the exact coordination equation, we get dCi divided by dPgi is Bi plus 2Ci Pgi is equal to lambda into 1 minus 2 summation where j varies from 1 to m to Pj Bij. Okay, expanding this we get Bi plus 2Ci. Okay, we will take 2 Pj Bij other side, we will get plus lambda into summation j varies from 1 to m to Pj Bij is equal to lambda. bi plus 2ci pgi plus 2bii pi into lambda. I mean from summation 2bij pj into lambda, we are taking ith term outside. When we take ith term outside, okay, it becomes lambda into 2bii plus pi, okay, plus lambda into summation, okay, where j varies from 1 to m, to bij pj, okay, but here j is not equal to I because ith terms we have taken outside is equal to lambda. On rearranging, okay, before rearranging, what we can do is here generation pgi is equal to pl plus pi, correct, pl plus pi, pd plus pi. Let pi be the transmission loss and demand, pd be the demand. So generation is equal to loss plus demand. Okay, substituting this in above equation, we get bi plus 2ci pd plus 2ci pi plus lambda into 2bii pi plus lambda summation j varies from 1 to m, but j is not equal to I, to bij pj is equal to lambda. Okay, here pa is common, take it outside. Okay, when we are taking it out, it becomes pi 2ci plus 2 lambda bii. Okay, we'll take lambda other side, lambda into 2bij pj other side, lambda minus lambda summation, okay, where j varies from 1 to m, but j is not equal to I, to bij pj. On rearranging once again, we get pi is equal to lambda minus bi minus 2ci pd minus lambda summation 2bij pj, where j varies from 1 to m, but j is not equal to I, whole divided by 2ci plus lambda bii. Okay, we'll take lambda outside. Here lambda is there, but here lambda is not there, so multiply and divide it by lambda. Here also lambda is not there, so multiply and divide it by lambda and take lambda outside. Okay, here lambda is not there, multiply and divide it by lambda. Okay, so that it becomes lambda 1, coefficient of lambda it is 1, minus bi into lambda divided by lambda, we are taking lambda outside, so bi by lambda minus 2ci pd whole divided by lambda and multiply by lambda, we are taking lambda outside, so it becomes 2ci pd by lambda minus summation j varies from 1 to m, but j is not equal to I, to bij pj whole divided by, here also we are taking lambda outside, lambda into 2, okay, multiply and divided by lambda and we are taking lambda outside, it becomes ci by lambda plus bii. Okay, lambda cancels, lambda on the numerator, lambda on the denominator cancels each other, and it remains with pi is equal to 1 minus bi by lambda plus 2ci by lambda pdi minus summation 2bij pj, where j varies from 1 to m, but j is not equal to I, whole divided by 2 Ci by lambda plus Bii, okay, where I varies from 1 to m. This is the transmission loss formula considering the beta coefficient. Thank you.